Master the mystery of question marks. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an essential piece of punctuation in English: the question mark. Not just how to use it, but also when not to use it. So buckle up as we demystify the question mark. The question mark, represented by, is primarily used at the end of interrogative sentences. These are sentences that ask a question, like, "What's your name?" or "Where are you going?" A crucial thing to remember is that not every sentence that starts with an interrogative word, who, what, where, why, when, how, is a question. For example, "I wonder how she does it." This is a statement, not a question. Now that we understand the basic use of the question mark, let's dive into some common mistakes. 1. Overuse with indirect questions. Remember, indirect questions are statements, not actual questions. So, "I wonder if she is going to the party" should be, "I wonder if she is going to the party." 2. Incorrect use with tag questions. Tag questions are those little tags we add at the end of sentences, like, "Isn't it?" or "Right?" While these are indeed questions, they don't need a question mark if the sentence is negative. For example, "You're not coming, are you?" Time to put our knowledge to the test. Let's look at a few sentences and identify the correct and incorrect use of question marks. 1. What time is it? Correct. 2. He asked if I was okay. Incorrect. 3. You're joining the party, aren't you? Correct. 4. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Incorrect. And there we have it. Understanding how to use punctuation marks correctly can significantly improve your written communication skills. We hope this video has helped clarify when and how to use the question mark in English. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the mystery of question marks.